Marami kong mahal, may nilagantod na atawid sa kanyang minamahal. Ang kisap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagnilig. Ang bituin na araw niya kay ng pamay mandilig. Luwalaman at seka.
Morning is fast approaching. Let us awaken to the dawn of a new day, with God as our constant guide. May He grant us wisdoms in our decisions, courage to rise from our mistakes, devotion to our duties, and a readiness to share and cooperate for the good of our families, friends, and community. May He spark in us the love for the truth, the respect for one another, and an urgency to serve. May He preserve us from false pride and selfish words, and help us to live in peace with one another as brothers. Amen.
Good morning. We welcome you to another day of broadcasting activities. 105.1 Crossover is DWBM, a commercial radio station owned and operated by the Mareco Broadcasting Network Incorporated, as authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission, with license number BST 0796-952. DWBM operates daily from 5 a.m. to 2 a.m. the following day with a power of 25,000 watts. Our studios are located at number 6 Piedad Pass, Santa Mesa Heights, Quezon City. Our transmitter is located at San Carlos Heights, Pinagonan, Rizal. DWBM is maintained and operated by the following personnel, duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Eleuterio Bondo, with PECE license number 796. First class radio operators, Serino Bebing, Goni Caay, Jerry Nino, Emmanuel Naparan, Arvin Santo Tomas, and Lino Quinaga. Ladies and gentlemen, 105.1 is now signing on.
Crossover presents Sounds of the Soul. 15 minutes of messages, whispers, and meanings with Father Larry Faraon. Sounds of the Soul.
As we face the challenges of this day, let us listen to God's inspiration through His Word in Sounds of the Soul. Here is Father Larry Faraon, your friend and your host.
Yes, this is Father Larry. Welcome to Sounds of the Soul. Today we celebrate in memory the feast of St. Charles Borromeo, one of the popular, I think he is one of those bishops who have been installed not by the Pope, but was approved only by the Pope because he was popularly voted upon by